Our solar system consists of our star, the Sun, and everything bound to it by gravity. The planets Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, dwarf planets, dozens of moons, and millions of asteroids, comets, and meteoroids. The Sun is a star, a hot ball of glowing gases at the heart of our solar system. Its influence extends far beyond the orbits of distant Neptune and Pluto. It's 100 times bigger than Earth, reaches hot temperatures, and makes sunscreen a really good idea. Take a breathtaking journey to the Earth's closest star, the Sun. Planet is a celestial body that is in orbit around the Sun. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system, along with Venus, Earth, and Mars. Mercury is one of the rocky planets. It has a solid surface that is covered with craters. It has no atmosphere and it doesn't have any moons. Venus is the second planet from the Sun and is Earth's closest neighbor in the solar system. Venus is the brightest object in the sky after the Sun and the Moon, and sometimes looks like a bright star in the morning or evening sky. The planet is a little smaller than Earth and is similar to Earth in size. While Earth is only the fifth largest planet in the solar system, it is the only world in our solar system with liquid water on the surface, just slightly larger than nearby Venus. Earth is the biggest of the four planets closest to the Sun, all of which are made of rock and metal. The Earth has only one moon. The moon is Earth's only permanent natural satellite. It is the fifth largest natural satellite in the solar system and the largest among planetary satellites relative to the size of the planet that it orbits. Mars is sometimes called the red planet. Like Earth, Mars has seasons, polar ice caps, volcanoes, canyons, and weather. It has very thin atmosphere made of carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and argon. There are signs of ancient floods on Mars, but now water mostly exists in icy dirt and thin clouds. Jupiter is the fifth planet from our Sun and is by far the largest planet in the solar system, more than twice as massive as all the other planets combined. Jupiter's stripes and swirls are actually cold, windy clouds of ammonia and water floating in an atmosphere of hydrogen and helium. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun and the second largest in the solar system after Jupiter. It is a gas giant with an average radius about 9.5 times that of Earth. It only has 1/8 the average density of Earth. However, with its larger volume, Saturn is over 95 times more massive. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun. Its name is a reference to the Greek god of the sky, Uranus. It has the third largest planetary radius and the fourth largest planetary mass in the solar system. Uranus is similar in composition to Neptune, and both have bulk chemical compositions which differ from that of the larger gas giants Jupiter and Saturn. For this reason, scientists often classify Uranus and Neptune as ice giants. Neptune is very similar to Uranus. It's made of a thick soup of water, ammonia, and methane over an Earth-sized solid center. Its atmosphere is made of hydrogen, helium, and methane. The methane gives Neptune the same blue color as Uranus.
Dwarf planets. A dwarf planet is a planetary mass of object that does not dominate its region of space as a planet does and is not a satellite. The number of dwarf planets in the solar system is unknown. Right now, there are 5 dwarf planets in the solar system in order from the Sun. Ceres, the smallest dwarf planet and the closest to the Sun. The largest object in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. Scientists think the bright spots are salty deposits made of sodium carbonate and ammonium chloride. Pluto used to be the 9th planet in the solar system's planetary mix. But when Eris was discovered, it had 27% more mass and demoted Pluto in 2006 to dwarf planet status. Pluto has 5 moons that orbit. Haumea, a dwarf planet with elongated shape, was discovered in 2004. It has 2 moons located in the Kuiper belt outside the orbit of Neptune and third closest dwarf planet to the Sun. Makemake, the 4th dwarf planet from the Sun, also located in the Kuiper belt. Discovered in 2005, have one provisional moon named MK2. It appears to be reddish-brown in color, but so far away you can barely see. Eris, located in the Kuiper belt as well and the 5th dwarf planet from the Sun, have one known moon named Dysnomia. Its orbit lasts about 16 days on its run. It is the most massive but second largest dwarf planet after Pluto in the solar system.
These are the other objects that can be seen in our solar system. These are asteroids, comets, meteorites, and meteors. That's all for now. This is your Astro Boy Ryu. Thank you for watching!